Bael contains chemicals called tannins, flavonoids, and coumarins. These chemicals help to reduce swelling, inflammation. This might help treat asthma, diarrhea, and other conditions. Also, some of these chemicals help to reduce blood sugar. What are the benefits of Bael? Health benefits of Bael fruit. 1. Management of bacteria-induced diarrhea and cholera. 2. Good for digestion. 3. Reduces cholesterol. 4. Help in diabetes management. 5. Prevents skin infections. 6. Act as a blood purifier. 7. Help in scurvy. 8. May reduce cancer risk. What is the benefits of Bael leaves? Bael leaf has a number of medicinal benefits. It has a mild laxative effect as it loosens the stool and prevents constipation. It also helps manage the cough and asthma and bronchitis due to its expectorant activity. Is Bael good for the body? Bael is known to act as a tonic for heart and brain. It is also gut-friendly and has been traditionally used to cure constipation, diarrhea, diabetes, and other conditions. It contains chemicals like tannins, flavonoids, and coumarins, which reduce inflammation. What is the medicinal value of Bael? Bael is loaded with a myriad of nutrients which include vitamins A, B1, B2, C, and minerals calcium, potassium, and iron. The host of plant compounds in Bael is beneficial in treating tuberculosis, hepatitis, ulcer, and digestive problems. Furthermore, it is also a good source of tannins which aid in treating cholera.